In this video, I want to talk about the analysis papers, which are also a quite important part of your grade. So we do have many of them, but what you'll find here is that for many of the topics, so I'm just going to pick on a random one here, topic 3, you'll see these analysis papers right here. So let's click on it. So essentially what this is, we don't have discussion boards or anything like that. I have had mixed luck using discussion boards, and so this is meant to replace that. It's meant so that you can kind of share your own thoughts, and you're sharing them, I guess in this case, unfortunately, only with me. The reason for that is that with the summer class, it's difficult to get everyone to do, like, post things on time, and it's just hard to do. So, I'm going to be the only one reading this, but this will give you a chance to kind of share your own thoughts and get feedback from me. And so rather than make you, like, give you some just kind of random topic or make you go find an article, I find the article for you. And so I picked a consistent resource, the Wall Street Journal, and I just picked articles that I thought were relevant to that. Now, let's go to the instructions here. So if we go back to syllabus and how to learn in this course, you'll see that I posted a document right here. Let's see. Let's just... Sorry, I could probably download this if I wanted to, but let's just try to read it from here. You'll be able to obviously read it on your own. So how am I going to assess you? What I'm looking for here is about 100 to 250 words, so about a page to maybe 2 pages. And you're going to organize this as 3 paragraphs. In the very first paragraph, you're going to summarize the article. In the second part, you're going to develop your make the connections basically with the course material that's for that chapter. So in this case, for that topic 3, you would make the connections to supply and demand. And then the last third of the points will be for just sharing your own thoughts. So when we look at that here, there was like an article that was about air ambulances in Missouri, and I just gave you an example here of a student who had some, grammatical errors and whatnot, but they did exactly what I wanted, and that might help you kind of understand what you need to be able to do. Okay. I did make the very first one do a little bit, or you have the option to do it a little bit earlier if you want to. I'll try to grade it a little bit earlier. You could also give me drafts. There will be a rather light grader as well on the very first one and the second one, because the second one is also do it around the same time. But again, after you read, in this case here, after you read the Welcome to Economics, Introduction to Economics, that would be when you then write this paper. And again, 100 to 200 words, it's not very extensive here. Probably about a page to 2 pages at most. And I'll give you some tips if you're not on the right, if you're not doing it properly. Okay, hope that helps understand how to do the analysis papers.